welcome back. Welcome to the channel, you guys. Today is Monday. Oh, why am I vlogging like this? Let me put it on the thing. All right, you guys, I'm constantly moving this and changing and fixing it, but this one is the best. Hi y'all, welcome back to the channel. Oh, is the AC on in here, or I can put it too high though so you guys can hear me. But today's Monday. Let me start driving. The car done heat up already. Today's Monday. It's about 10:59. I was gonna wake up early to go do some grocery shopping, but I've been running around all week last week, and I just wanted to take a minute and just sleep in, y'all. That's all I wanted to do. The sun is so bright, and so yeah, I just woke up. Your girl didn't even eat no breakfast. Nothing. I don't have nothing in my system, nothing in my stomach. I have my waist trainer on, you guys. Now I'm back and I'm serious about it. I'm waist training. It's serious, okay? Like, I have to take my whole health, not like my health seriously, yes, and also I've been talking about how I want to get rid of my gut and I want to get my body together. I really need to get my ish together. Okay, whatever, I know. So yeah, so right now I am, of course, gonna stop and get me something to eat because I haven't had no breakfast. Then I'm gonna stop at the bank. Have to go to the bank. Then I'm gonna stop at Dollar Tree real quick, but first thing first, I have to get something in my stomach. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I might just get me a salad from Wendy's, because to be honest, it's already 11 o'clock. Most places they're not even serving breakfast food anymore. You know what, I'm gonna go to the plaza where Dollar Tree is because they have a Subway there. I'll get Subway and then I'll go inside Dollar Tree. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, you guys. I'm gonna try to vlog while I'm out. I don't really do that like that, but we'll see. vlog a little bit idolatry. I wanted to get the cabinet organizing stuff, so that's the only thing that I got, and I ran into the little egg organizing stuff. All right, so there's like 2 cars in front of me, so I already sanitized my hands. Don't. Got spinach, tomatoes. I wanted to get onions, but I don't like the way onions make my breath smell. So I got tomatoes, spinach, and banana peppers. Oh, the line is moving. Oh, I thought it was. Yeah, so now they're gonna serve that other car that's in front of me. I'm back home. Come on. And somebody's up. Mama's baby. Bella, let's show them. Look.
Hey,
Look. Bella.
Mama, baby.
Mama's baby. Yay. You smell so good, baby. Somebody woke up in a good mood, but you woke up crying in the middle of the night. You okay? All right. Okay, so Mama's gonna go in the kitchen. All right, yeah, I'm back home. Hi, Isabella.
No, 3D.
Huh? Come here.
No.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Asa.
My baby's allergic to mosquitoes, you guys. She got bitten, and then her whole eye was swollen. And with the help of Benadryl, it went down, but she still have a little purple-ish stuff right here. It's gonna go away.
Purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
You're beautiful.
Purple.
You're pretty.
Purple.
So pretty.
Purple. Purple.
What we doing today, Bella?
Purple.
Today's Monday. What are we doing? Huh? Mama's baby.
Mama's baby.
Mama's baby. Are you Mama's baby?
I'm Mama's baby.
You Mama's baby?
You Mama's baby.
Are you Mama's baby?
Mama's baby.
Yeah, you are Mama's baby.
Yeah, Mama's baby.
My
My
name
name
is
is
Isabella,
Isabella,
and
and
I
I
am
am
Mama
Mama
baby.
baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. This is
Now
All right, you guys, this was a bit of a early vlog. I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day, and I'm gonna be cooking dinner, and of course cleaning up after ourselves. And for dinner today, we eating salmon with yellow rice and broccoli. So it's nothing special for me to even like vlog or anything. So yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna make this its own video, or I'm just going to add me going around shopping for my mom's birthday party, or you know, like how I'm bringing everything together. I'm a bit of a last minute shopper. Everybody already, we all put money together, all my siblings and my cousin, we all put money together, and everybody already sent me their money, and I'm the one who's responsible to go around and starting to get the stuff ready. Good news is I already ordered the crab legs, the snow crab legs, and the corn and the potatoes being cooked. I'm picking them up, so I already ordered. That's already taken care of. The cake is already ordered. I just need to go to Walmart to purchase the things for this cocktail that I want to do. I have the big jar already. So what else we doing? I need to go to Sam's Club, and yeah, that's about it. So tomorrow we'll do that tomorrow. See you then. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.